In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover Genshin Impact Account vertical bar step-by-step recovery. We're going to keep this simple and official. You'll start by finding the correct support contact from Hoyoverse's own website, then send a clear recovery request through Gmail. This helps you avoid fake links and ensures your message reaches the right team. Begin by opening your web browser and searching for Hoyoverse support. In the results, look for the official hoyoverse.com domain. Choose the result that leads to the news section of the site. Using the news page is important because Hoyoverse publishes official announcements and contact information there, and it's a reliable way to confirm you're using the right channel. Once you're on the news page, locate the post that covers support for Hoyoverse accounts. Open that article and look for the official support email address specifically provided for account-related issues. Highlight and copy that address directly from the page. Do not copy any address from third-party sites or social media posts and avoid typing it from memory. Copying ensures accuracy and helps you steer clear of phishing. Now, go to Gmail in your browser. If you prefer another email service, that's fine too, but I'll demonstrate with Gmail for clarity. Click the Compose button to open a new message. In the To field, paste the official support email you just copied from the Hoyoverse site. Set your subject line to Recover Account. Keeping the subject short and specific helps support quickly identify the request type. In the body of the email, calmly explain your situation. State that you're requesting help to recover your Genshin Impact account. Summarize what access you've lost, and describe what happened leading up to the issue. Include helpful context, such as the platform you play on, how you normally sign in, when you last had access, any error messages you saw, and what troubleshooting you've already tried. The goal is to give support enough detail to verify and assist you without overloading the message. Do not include passwords, full personal IDs, or any sensitive financial information. Keep your tone polite and professional, and make sure your contact email is the one you're comfortable receiving replies on. Before sending, read everything once more to check for clarity, correct email address, and a clear subject. When you're satisfied, click send. That's it. Your recovery request is on its way. After this, watch your inbox for a response and follow any instructions the support team provides. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get back into the game smoothly.